they need to commit to that. And in order to commit to that, they need to let go of whatever was holding them back behind.
We did the job of finding you guys, but now you're the one building the company.
I wanted to wake up every morning for it. See what I mean? I wanted to tackle something more transformational, something that I was more aligned with.
We put like a bunch of strangers together and like asked them to build huge companies, and that's a very unusual thing to do. And you guys are actually in the most unusual version of EF that we've ever done.
It's been 1 month and so many things happened. They've basically been building the whole month non-stop.
I put it into an SQL database, and then the smart thing was I put an LLM on top of it.
Yeah.
So you just go like, as a store manager, you can go like, how many customers have I had today?
Current LLMs are very bad at generating new hypotheses. So we sort of have these knowledge graphs that are like representations of human knowledge and ask it to almost autonomously find new things. So we generate a path through this node thing, and then we effectively embed it in this multi-agent debate situation.
You need to keep a very high bar as to the reason why you're working together as a team, the two of you. There's a big opportunity cost in staying in a team that is not optimal for you.
I'm building an autonomous steamroller. So that's the machine that drives by on a paver and compacts the asphalt that is laid down.
So I'm working with Adi together. Our product is AI autocomplete. We're killing the chatbot basically. The macOS application will run in the background and you will be able to trigger prompts very easily.
They've been forming teams, breaking up, reforming. Because yeah, we celebrate breakups here.
Mr. 4 teams.
Jesus, man. Don't leak it on camera, man. We're not talking about body count,
Three for me.
Chill.
We were in different teams at the very start and then for the first few weeks. But then 3.5 weeks ago, we started speaking to each other and realized that we had quite a lot of like overlapping interests and started working together.
If you don't feel productive in like the first 48 hours, you should already have a hard discussion and then break up. So on our side, in the first 3 days, we were able to get 15 to 20 customer calls in like the first 3 days. Something that was a first indication of how productive we can actually be.
Yeah.
We did not speak for the first 3 weeks at all because barely. I had asked him once where he got blueberries. That was like the most of our interaction. And then I saw in the Slack that he broke up with his team, and I knew he was working on computer vision. And I was very predatory. Like I saw his breakup, and 10 minutes after I slacked him being like, hey, do you want to go for a walk? So the first day, lots of yapping about healthcare. I discovered that Felipe was super interested in machine learning for detecting malaria in blood smears and slides, and I find that fascinating. I think we got along on which big problems we could spot together, so that was really fun.
I realized we would become co-founders together when we were talking about company building together and the impact we wanted to have on the world.
Some teams already had traction, so we set up early ICs. Early IC stand for Early Investment Committee, and an investment committee is basically the teams pitching in front of panelists who then deliberate and decide if we fund them or not.
We had a really interesting IC. We had to go to Frankfurt to get our visas on Tuesday, and we ended up taking the wrong train back, and we ended up in Stuttgart. So it was about 3 p.m. in Stuttgart. Our IC was at 7 p.m. So we took 3 trains and we realized we weren't going to get the 4th one back in time. So yeah, we said, let's go, let's get the taxi back in time for IC. We were so hyped up all day, stressing about trying to get back. We literally came into the IC and we were like, we've already made it.
So now 2 teams are funded.
Of course you're here.
You got funded? Nice!
Sat there, had a chat, and walked away with 250k.
To be honest, after, I mean, it's the best feeling knowing that you've put in serious work to prepare, and then all of a sudden it's just done.
And the rest is now passing mock ICs, so it's basically trials to determine whether they should go in San Francisco or not.
They're paying $20 each.
$20 a month?
Yes.
You got 5. Okay.
I thought it would be more granular, more micro.
Oh yeah.
It's like it got to OpenAI LLMs in like 15 years very fast.
Hello.
Oh, we got a good fan away.
For us, it's very focused on Africa. So if there is a growth opportunity there, if we're able to capture value.
Yeah. And it's really hard to give them bad news since we got really close these past months, but it's part of what they signed for.